Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best toy catapult is probably one of the most exciting and engaging toys you can get for your kids, offering hours of fun and imaginative play as they launch soft projectiles across the room, fostering creativity and friendly competition. This classic toy provides a fantastic way for children to develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while learning basic physics principles in a safe and enjoyable manner, making it a standout choice for playtime. Number 5. Fuwidvia 3-Pack Airplane Launcher Toys. Introducing the Fuwidvia 3-Pack Airplane Launcher Toys, a fantastic set designed for endless outdoor adventures. Get ready for takeoff. Simply insert the wings, choose your flight mode, and launch. These toys help kids develop coordination and a sense of direction while having a blast. Experience thrilling flights up to 49 feet. Its lightweight and durable design ensures high-performance free flight, encouraging active play away from screens. Made from safe, bendable foam, these planes are perfect for all ages. Plus, with colorful LED lights, the fun continues even after the sun goes down. Looking for an ideal gift? These airplane toys are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for kids aged 4 to 12. Give the gift of flight and outdoor fun. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, please contact the seller directly for a perfect solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. If you're looking for a toy that offers multiple ways to play and can be enjoyed even after sunset, this is a fantastic choice. It comes with 3 planes and features LED lights for nighttime fun. With 2 distinct flight modes, it provides varied aerial adventures for kids who love to experiment with how things fly. What people say. The added lights were a delightful bonus. Planes are lightweight and smooth flyers. Great indoors and outdoors. The planes glide a pretty good distance. Safe to use inside, but I expect would easily end up in trees outside. My 5-year-old had no difficulty with it at all. Great fun. Slingshot handles are included as well, but who wants to use those when you have a nifty pistol launcher? The set includes 3 colorful gliders plus an easy-to-use launcher that sends them flying so far. Definitely fun to challenge the kids to see whose plane goes the highest or farthest. Number 4. Sonic the Hedgehog Giant Eggman Robot Battle Set. Fans and collectors, get ready to recreate an iconic showdown from the Sonic the Hedgehog universe. This set brings the excitement of the video games right to your hands. You'll find a towering 9-inch giant Eggman robot and a dynamic 2.5-inch Sonic figure, ready for action. Sonic is posed perfectly for his signature spin attack. Use the included catapult to launch Sonic and hit the giant Eggman robot's chest plate. 3 direct hits are all it takes to win this battle. But the fight isn't one-sided. With a simple push of a button, you can fire the giant Eggman robot's hand missiles. Watch out for his retractable jetpack flames too. Once you've defeated the giant robot, you can easily reassemble him. Just reset the chest plate and get ready to replay the epic battle all over again. What we like. If you are a fan of Sonic the Hedgehog or enjoy recreating iconic video game moments, this set is perfect for you. It features a large Eggman robot and a Sonic figure, allowing for an interactive battle experience. Collectors will appreciate the detailed figures and the ability to replay and display this classic confrontation. What people say. The jetpack has flames that you can press out, and it looks like it is about to fly. I've ordered 2 and I was pleasantly surprised by the size. They also seem fairly durable and my husband was just as excited to try them out as my boys will be. The battle damage, claw shooter, and destruction functions work as they are supposed to. Number 3. PATHFINDERS STEM Kits to Vinci Catapult. Recreate Leonardo da Vinci's innovative siege engine with this hands-on wooden model kit. It takes about 60 minutes to build and offers real launching action. Based on da Vinci's original sketches, this kit teaches principles of physics, tension, and engineering. It's perfect for school projects or curious minds. Load and launch soft objects using the functional tension arm. This allows you to explore force, trajectory, and motion in a fun, interactive way. Rated for ages 14+ for solo builders, this is also a rewarding activity for kids 8+ with adult guidance or supervision. Made from FSC-certified natural wood, this kit is eco-friendly, non-toxic, and durable. It complies with ASTM toy safety standards for a safe and enjoyable building experience. Experience the power of your creation as it launches projectiles over 15 feet. It's an exciting demonstration of physics in action. What we like. If you're seeking an educational and engaging activity that combines history with science, this kit is an excellent option. It allows you to build a working replica of Leonardo da Vinci's catapult, teaching principles of physics and engineering. It's ideal for older kids or younger ones with adult supervision who enjoy hands-on projects and learning about historical inventions. What people say. The pieces are all made of wood, and well cut. No splinters, no broken pieces or anything. Assembled the catapult according to the instructions before we glued anything together. This is the smart thing to do, as some of the pieces do not fit perfectly together. The kit comes with a small bit of sandpaper to file down the pieces so they fit snugly. Very stable, easy to operate. We probably fired stuff of it for about an hour, and it is still in excellent shape. Number 2. Mini Counterweight Trebuchet Wooden Puzzle. Discover the fascinating world of medieval siege weapons. Learn how gravity and levers were used to dominate the battlefield with this incredible model. Crafted from high-quality wood, this detailed replica is not only a fun project but also a stunning decorative piece for any room. Challenge yourself with this intricate assembly. Enhance your logical thinking and hands-on abilities while enjoying a screen-free, rewarding experience. This complete kit includes all necessary materials, tools, and clear instructions, including a video tutorial, to guide you through the assembly process. Looking for a unique gift? This retro trebuchet model is ideal for anyone fascinated by military history and the ingenuity of ancient warfare. Experience the thrill of authentic medieval engineering. Build and operate a functional replica, complete with a counterweight mechanism and realistic launching action. Combine history, physics, and engineering in an engaging STEM learning experience. Build and operate this working model to understand historical technology. What we like. If you have a fascination with medieval history and enjoy intricate model building, this trebuchet kit is a great pick. It's a functional replica that demonstrates authentic engineering principles and serves as a cool tabletop ornament. This is perfect for those who appreciate detailed craftsmanship and want a unique, educational project away from screens. What people say. This was an amazingly well-designed kit. The quality is outstanding. All of the parts fit perfectly. Great design, and great material. C'est Trebuchet à contrepoids est vraiment très réaliste, belle taille pour un maquette. Fonctionnel et fiable, elle fait le travail pour se tuer à été créé c'est juste un bijou. Le bois est solide, j'ai note un belle patine. La découpe est charmante faite par laser car très précise très fine. Number 1. Catapult Wars by Horizon Group USA. Calling all engineers. Put your building skills to the test as you assemble real wood pieces to create your very own customized catapult. It's time for battle. Gather your friends for a catapult war using the included mini beanbags. Be careful not to get in your opponent's crosshairs. Use the handy guide to build this easy-to-assemble catapult. Then, deck it out with stickers and decals to make it uniquely yours. This is a perfect group activity for siblings, playdates, or birthday parties. Take turns to see who the ultimate winner will be. These specially curated arts and crafts supplies will keep little hands busy for hours. It's a great way to encourage creativity and following instructions. The kit includes everything you need: wooden pieces, dowels, rubber bands, mini bean bags, ropes, stickers, glue, and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. If you're looking for a fun, hands-on activity that encourages creativity and friendly competition, this kit is ideal. You can build and customize your own catapult using real wood pieces. It's perfect for siblings, playdates, or parties, offering hours of entertainment with included bean bags for exciting battles. What people say. This kit allows you to build your own catapults and then use them to lob little projectiles at your opponent's targets. The construction is straightforward, making you feel like a modern-day Isambard Kingdom Brunel, if you were into medieval siege weapons rather than bridges and railways. The materials are sturdy enough to survive a few battles, and the instructions are as clear as a bell. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.